The Merten Storck Tri-Ply Skillet set pairs 10-inch and 12-inch pans with glass lids, giving home cooks two genuinely useful sizes for everyday meals and larger searing jobs. Its fully clad three-layer construction, with stainless steel surrounding an aluminum core, heats quickly and evenly so foods brown reliably without hot spots. The pans feel solid and well-balanced in the hand, with a build quality that inspires confidence for long-term use, rather than feeling like disposable cookware. Thoughtful touches like drip-resistant rims and welded handles make pouring sauces cleaner and help prevent food from getting trapped along interior seams. Because the stainless steel surface is compatible with induction and can handle very high oven temperatures, these skillets move easily from any stovetop to the oven for finishing. Cleanup is straightforward, thanks to the smooth interiors and dishwasher-safe design, so you can enjoy stainless steel performance without dreading the wash-up.